Hey y'all, what is up? What is up? What is up? Oh man, about to do something spectacular today. Gonna finally pour a full floor. Now, stick with me, guys. I know. Last video I showed you, I did some of those test pieces, and you guys seemed to like it and stuff, but I know we're getting a little off track with Dirty D's, but really we're not. Really we're not. This is, all these last videos, all this epoxy pouring, all this stuff like this is the next big thing for Dirty D's. So today, I get to play with the template. And if everything goes good, and it pours out the way I want to, it'll be down at 75 Chrome Show. And you guys can see it there and see if maybe this is something you're all's interested in for your all's trucks. I'm going to do a wild one today. Instead of doing like the colors we're doing for Dirty Deeds, because I wanted to do something way different. And it's going to be awesome. So, stick with me, guys. This is going to be a fun one. I got it cleaned off. I sanded on it a little bit more. I got it tack cloth. I'm about to hit it with some acetone. And then I'm going to do the adhesion promoter. And then the color. The color is what I want you guys to see. I went a little extravagant on the base color of this one, just because I wanted it to be different. And I wanted it to catch people's eyes so they would take the time to stop and look at it. So, hang with me, guys. Let's get this in. You're going to love this. It's going to be awesome. Alright, got the adhesion promoter sprayed over the whole thing. It's nice and shiny. Now, we impatiently wait for it to dry so we can spray this paint. But, while that's drying, let me show you guys this paint color I chose. You guys gotta tell me what you think of it. Look at this. What do you think about it? I'm gonna do a purple base. And then, my lighting sucks in here, guys, sorry. Gonna do a purple base. And then go with black and silver. Maybe some white highlights. What do you think? I know it's a little extreme, and I know it's totally like out of the box. I could have went black or just left it white, really, and done some really cool colors in it with the marble effect. But I wanted to be extra, because that's the kind of person I am. But hopefully you guys will love it. I think it's going to be neat. I'm pretty excited about it. So, this is going to be a good one. This will be a good one right here. I can't wait to get it finished up and see what it looks like. Alright guys, let's try this purple out and see what happens. Ooh. Alright, got her all good and covered. She's nice and purple. Oh man, I don't hate it. And I think with some black and some maybe silver and maybe some white highlights. Oh man, I think it'll be sick. Phew, I can't wait. I can't wait to see it. I'm pretty excited. It's a pretty awesome color. Pretty awesome. It's very, very purple. It's very, very bright. So if you're not into bright colors, then it's very purple. But I think it'll make a good backdrop for a standout floor. So let's let this dry, guys. I'm gonna get up here and get the epoxy heated up and get it ready to start pouring. Then first I gotta tape this off when it gets dry, but we gotta wait for it to dry. I'm gonna let it set for quite a bit, let it dry. And I'm going to, a few other things I'm going to get prepped up. Gotta go get my youngin' from school. Maybe she can do some filming, because I know you guys hate sitting and having to watch from a tripod. Alright, y'all. We are back. The paint has dried. We have masking taped the whole shindig over here. It's purple. Guys, it's purple. Haha, what do you think? It's extra. I know. It's a little loud. Maybe for some people's taste. But I wanted to go extreme for just the first one. Why not? Let's see how it works out. So, we got Case from school. She's behind the camera. Thank goodness. So you guys don't have to hang on the tripod for this whole situation. So let's pour it. I'm a little like this, about how much. So I don't know. I'm going to guesstimate this, guys. I'm going to guesstimate it because I don't know how much it's going to take to do this whole sheet. So I'm probably just going to make a whole gallon to be safe. Worst come to worst, we got some left over. It's okay because this is all play epoxy. I say that because we've ordered some to come in next. And so we can still do Dirty Deeds' floor and this, that, and the other. But this has to be poured. I want to do this. I'm a nervous wreck about it, if you can't tell. I'm stammering. I'm stuttering. Blah, 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 blah. The paint turned out beautiful. It's very bright purple. In the camera, I noticed earlier that it looks a little blue. But just know that it is purple. It's the purplest purple you can purple. But any ever hoot. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. Doing something this big in comparison to those small little 8x10 pieces that you guys saw me doing, or those little 6x6s or 8x8s, whatever they was, is a big deal. So, guys, cross your fingers. Let's see if we can do this, because I want to be able to make these happen for you guys, if you're all interested in them, or for anybody that's interested in one of these epoxy floors. Alright, so got her all mixed up. Now I'm going to put some over here for some color, because I'm going to do some coloring. Got 3 different colors picked out, and we're going to do some marbling in it. Put a little extra in that one. And see what happens. Goodness. Alright, let's go see what happens, guys. Oh gosh, guys. Well, we're finished. Now to wait for time for it to set. Let's look at it. So, I think overall, it's pretty. We did a couple different colors. I did some black, and then I did some pearl, and then I did some, that looks blue is a violet color, but oh man, it ain't bad. It looks neat. I would love to have this as a floor somewhere, like in my house. But anyways, We're going to let it set up. There's a couple spots I'm a little iffy about. I got some of the epoxy too hot while I was pouring because I wasn't sure about how much I was going to need. Like I said, this is all a trial and error process, guys. Trial and error. But the design turned out really pretty. I'm really happy with it. Now that those colors are in with that purple, I'm loving it. But we're going to let it set. Going to see what happens tonight. Like I said, there's a couple of spots I'm iffy about. May end up with a couple bubbles. May end up with a couple spots I don't like. And I'm not having that. Because the one for Dirty Deeds, and if we're going to sell these, they're going to be perfect. But that was the purpose of this, was to do that. But guys, what do you think? Tell me what you think. That's my first full pour on a 379 floor. Oh my goodness. It has stressed me all the way out. I'm going to have to go in here, chill out, and like meditate or something. Get over this. Because I was super stressed about it. But tell me what you think, guys. I really love the colors. I really think it turned out pretty. Like I said, I'm a little reluctant about how to set up. This one may not go to 75 if the bubbles show out like I think they might in those couple places where I got the epoxy a little too hot. But, guys, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. And the next big floor I pour is going to be for Dirty Deeds. Lee's been working on Dirty Deeds all day. All day. He's working on that frame. He's working on that fifth wheel. He is doing the absolute most while I'm trying to learn how to do these floors. So, we're still moving forward. We're still moving forward. This is still going places. And guys, you got to like, subscribe, and comment, please. You guys threw me a bunch of comments on last time. I'm going to really try to do some merch with this epoxy. I've got a couple ideas in mind. I got to do a few other things to get stuff ready to be able to do that. But maybe offering up some merch here soon with this epoxy, some wall hangers and stuff. So you got stuff all hand done by me. Look, my hands are disgusting. But guys, I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. And you know I love you. And I'd love to hang out all day with you. But I got to get out of here. And guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this first big pour. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Keep checking out these videos because, man, oh man, you're about to see some big stuff happening with Dirty Deeds. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And guys, for y'all that did special thanks, there was Jason Phillips and a couple others that threw out a special thanks this last time. My heart appreciates it so much. Y'all have no idea how much that means to me. And your all's help and your all's adding a little bit is keeping this channel going. Because guys, doing these channels is a lot of work. I ain't gonna lie to kick it. And trying to do all this and float a channel is a lot altogether. But your all's support and your all's comments and your all's likes and the special thanks is what's keeping this channel going. So keep it up, guys. And thank you all so much. I'll see y'all in the next